Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung S25 FE, and today I'll show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, let's swipe down from the top of our screen, and in this area right here, you want to swipe down again. This will extend the list of visible toggles, showing you power saving mode, which is one of them. So once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. As you can see, it enables it, gives you a quick message what it will do. We can also hold this toggle. This will take us to the settings where you can actually read and customize these options. So going quickly over this, background network usage, syncing and location checking will be limited, and Super HDR won't be available. And then we have additional things like limiting CPU speed to 70%, always on display, brightness, and high refresh rate, along with dark mode and screen timer being changed. Now, when you turn off your power saving mode, well, actually it needs to be on to be able to fiddle around with this, which is kind of odd. So you can change all of these right here. So maybe you don't want to have things like the brightness change, or maybe you don't like dark mode, you can toggle those off. One more thing in here, at the very bottom you'll see limit apps and home screen. This last option right here, it's very hard, but there's actually text below that actually explaining what it does. But to generally kind of explain this, it is a super power saving mode, like on steroids. So it limits your usability of the device by quite a bit, and its sole purpose is to preserve as much battery as it possibly can. Now, for it to be enabled, you need to first turn off your power saving mode, and you can toggle this switch on. And when you re-enable this, just to showcase this, there is our home screen. So you can see it removes a bunch of applications from here and just gives us information about time and battery percentage, along with giving us a couple apps. And to leave it, we can click on the three dots and select turn off power saving mode. Now, one thing to also keep in mind, when you toggle this switch on, whenever you actually interact with this, it will always re-enable this mode back up. So if you want to undo this, again, get back to the settings by holding it and turn it off. Let's try that again. There we go. And here we're going to swipe down and just toggle it off. So now whenever you enable power saving mode, it will be enabling just these options without the last one. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.